Hello YouTube, this is my review of my 3D printed Men in Black J2 blaster. So I had it printed by someone on eBay and it's come out really well actually. So it consists of the handle, so that comes apart. It's even got the trigger mechanism as well. So that sits really well in there. And then these go together. It's also got the scope as well, so that comes out, the laser. And so in there is the little buttons, which I don't really want to take out in case I lose them. So they go on this side, so the on and off switch, and also the 3 buttons on the other side. We've also got the nose piece, which is really well cut out, and it's got the slightly larger one, so that obviously goes on the end. Something like that. So you get this spacer, which obviously goes on here, so you can screw it. So it's got the holes, 4 holes there, and then recessed holes, so you can screw it on there. And then if you look on the inside, there's a little notch, which means that this has got a little notch, so that will go into there. I just need to sand it a little bit so it will fit, and then that'll push in and then finish it off. It also comes with, I got him to print these grips in black, which are really good grips. Got the texture on there, and that goes on there like that. And then there's little pins on these, and then there's pinholes so the grips will fit. And then also we've got the magazine, so you can fit that with a battery compartment, and that also fits in there quite nice when it's together. And you've got a grip. So I'm going to spray this and then finish it off, and then hopefully it'll look pretty good for not quite $500, which I'm not willing to pay. So anyway, I'm really happy with it. So thank you for looking.